friends, welcome to another 30 Days of Inchies. Today's the last day and it is book. Putting an inchie on a book or onto a book. So what I did today was make a book for my inchies. I just actually made a little inchie book, kind of similar to the accordion one I made, but with the book cover. So what I did is use magazine papers and I just went back and forth and it kind of did the accordion fold on the pages and then glued them together, kind of similar, but instead of having it an accordion book, it's all together into a book that you open with a cover. Now I'm working on the cover, and this was kind of something I had to kind of play with to get through, to work it out in my head. So it wasn't something that came to me quite right away, but I was just playing with it a little bit. Okay, so I need to put my book 2 inches wide to make my cover. So here is a new piece because I did it before, the strip under my hand there, and it was a little bit too big. So here now I am folding towards the center. As you can see, it's coming together pretty good now. I just got to fasten the papers in. Like I said, I was just kind of playing with it as I went and learning as I went with this particular one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and check out Nikki Parr's video. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for participating. If you participated, check out International Crafters on Facebook as well as on YouTube. Nikki Parr and myself, we do live streams there every week. Thanks again, guys, for dropping by.